boat seems to be bleeping.
Bleep, bleep, bleep. To be quite honest with you, I just got with my life on the boat really, and I sort of ignored it. But then again, I'm quite good at ignoring annoying noises.
What?
Nothing?
Very funny. What do we think it might be? The inverter, could be the inverter. Solar panels.
Well, no, I don't think it's the solar panels. I've already disconnected the wires from the solar panel at one stage, and that was.
We've had the engine off, we've had it on, off.
We've had the fuse box off.
Fuse box. Beep, beep,
Had
beep.
the fuse box off.
Beep. It sounds a familiar sound.
But I don't know. I don't know. We should continue looking.
So apologies for previous vlogs where you've heard the bleeping constantly in the background, and apologies for this one about to come up where you'll also hear it bleeping in the background. So
bleep,
it's probably
bleep,
annoying you as much as it's annoying us.
Bleep,
well,
bleep,
me.
Bleep. Bleep, bleep,
Anyway, let's, fingers crossed, do we find it?
Good morning everyone. Quite an early start this morning, left home around about 4:10, something like that. Very cold, coldest so far. My van was showing -8 at some stages, and when I actually arrived at the marina today it was -7. So, but according to the guy in the narrowboat next to me, it's now dropped to -3. So, or sorry, it's warmed up to -3. So. Yeah, just having a little bit of a shuffle around at the moment. Still a bit unsure about the layout, where to put the fridge and the cooker. To make life easy, the sink obviously should be around about that area somewhere. So it leaves me an option. Obviously I've got the cabinet built in now over the top of that cylinder. So it's a bit of a toss up where to put the fridge and the cooker at the moment. We are going to be extending the worktop over the top underneath the porthole window there to create a sort of seating area with a couple of stalls underneath for lunch and dinner and that sort of thing. I mean, it looks absolutely excellent, doesn't it? You know, working lovely, that is, isn't it? Absolutely superb. The only problem is, I've shut the burner door, and the fire's actually gone out because it seems to be being suffocated. So maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Find out why it's being suffocated. Well, just something to look into, I suppose. Good laugh this having a boat, you know. Look at that go. Love it. Yeah, so it was only a sort of breathing issue basically at the end of the day. This obviously lets air in, you can twist that lot, but it was completely and utterly stuck tight. You couldn't move it with your hands, so I've had to get a hammer on it and a lump of wood just to move that, hitting them edges there, and then gradually it sort of came round. So now it might need some lubrication on it, something like that. But yeah, so that obviously lets the fire breathe. So there we go. So she's working. Lovely jubbly. Looking forward to a nice warm day then.
I arrived.
Eventually.
Eventually. Down here now. It took me just 4.5 hours. Quick stop to let the dog do a wee. Yeah, I wasn't. Has the beeping stopped? So he stopped the beeping. He stopped the beeping. Oh no, it hasn't stopped. Can you hear it? Beep, beep. I was like, don't let me stop by the time I come down. I'll be ripping that off the wall after this journey.
Eventually, you just ignore it.
I don't. I won't just ignore it. I won't.
You might. You could.
That'll keep me awake. You can sleep through anything, but that will keep me awake. So anyway, I'm here. So I haven't actually checked out all the hard work yet. So
yeah. Cabinets.
So yeah, your face. There's no point.
Thinner cabinets than the other
Thinner
side.
cabinets. So I know, but I'm going to have a proper look around now. I've literally just dumped my coat. Yes, I've taken the coat off. It's very warm in here. We've got.
Lovely.
The fire is on. Looks safe enough. It's got a guard in front of it for now because, well, you call that guards to stop That little one. Come on. Go off in my hands.
Are you filming this?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah.
Is it there?
Found the beep. It was this that was hidden underneath all tools and stuff.
Kept us awake.
This is the beep. Kept us awake. It didn't keep us awake. It kept me awake. He was snoring like a good one. I was waking up every minute.
Someone was a bit grumpy this morning when they sort of woke up.
Yeah, I don't know.
Might be a bit early to make noise. They reckon 9 o'clock and they really got proper noise. I mean, everyone's up there, aren't they? They're all up.
No, not necessarily.
Well, they are, I know they are. It gets up at 6 o'clock.
8:58.
8:58? That's 9 o'clock, isn't it? It's just in time early. No waiting around.
Hey, you know what? I haven't thought about it. He ain't had noise like that before.
What, not we talking?
No, he ain't had noise. It's any sort of building work.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Right, that's the brotherhood out of the way. Oh, more wood for the fire. Put it in a wood basket. Put it in a wood basket.
Might just go in here in a minute.
Yeah. Oh, look at that, it's gone back lovely. Oh, look at that, right over there. Love it. That's really good. That's really good. Double the old room. Oh, it's perfect, look at that. Perfect. Perfect. Love it. Love it.
Okay, what?
Love it.
That includes informal debts like borrowing from friends and family, as well as credit card spending, overdrafts, or loan.
Love it, it's gone back nicer. And the fridge went under there, so we haven't really lost any width by changing it. I was a bit worried we might be another inch or so off of there, you know what I mean? But that's in line. It's good. It's good. Good stuff. So basically speaking, when I put a former, it's covering alright, isn't it?
That's that paint now, isn't it? If there's really good paint.
So what we're doing is, whatever this cutout is, are we doing like a slight curvy? Or do you just want to go square? With a slight edge off of here.
I just think square now, really.
Do you?
Because you're not doing it curved that side, are you?
Whatever I do here, I'll copy there.
So are you having another unit there then?
No.
Well, you can't curve that. There's a sinks in that one.
No. The sink's here.
Yeah.
That'll be like somewhere about here.
Yeah.
That'll basically just go like that.
No, I don't like it. I don't think it means to be, does it?
It's just not square.
Yeah.
But after all that designing and all that, and drawing curves and
Yeah,
everything,
I've got a flash in up there. Oh, it's the same
you've got it here and gone, let's have it square.
But I think we're too complicating it. It doesn't need to be curved, does it?
No, we'll have room to walk through. I'll just soften this edge perhaps. That's what we do. That's
Yeah.
where you can have your other, you can have it, I need to put a board across there because you don't want to see right away through it.
Right the right way, through
Yeah.
way.
Through into the edge, you said. You don't want to see
Yeah,
underneath the
no,
under,
no,
over it.
no.
So the option is, well that's just going to be a board there then really, in effect. It's not really going to be another unit or nothing.
No, it could be a
It's just a board.
tongue and groove or something.
Yeah, we
a
could do
board.
something like that,
And you
yeah.
can make it look like a cupboard with your
Well, if I won't, yeah, I'll make it look like a false door.
come round, and then this side your feet go underneath. And I
Yeah,
think
exactly
the
that.
idea is, well, really, you'd extend this out, this
Yeah,
bit, so
yeah, I
that
will do.
becomes like that.
I will, I'll basically,
And then you
yeah,
can
I'll
tile.
basically
You can
put,
always tile this.
no, I'll
tile
basically,
it.
yeah, I'll put a board across here then.
Yeah.
Basically, yeah, alright.
But I'm interested.
Alright, then we can do that.
I still haven't got any on the blue. Let me just quickly. Ooh, get rid of this.
Oh, that's going to take a couple of good 2 or 3 coats.
Well, I need to order some more paint then.
Oh shit, I mean blimey.
What am I painting underneath this? Is there wires on it? Is there no?
Are you going to cut round the coats and that?
Yep.
Okay, fair enough.
So I work, so I roll.
You're going to cut round my toolboxes?
Yep.
Lovely. Ernie, if you're sitting that side, she's going to cut paint round you, alright? So there'll be like a shape of a dog.
So what, look.
There'll be a shape of a dog.
There you go. It's actually covered all right.
What, even the blue?
Yeah.
Could do that 2 or 3 coats to be honest.
No, not with this paint.
Oh, right, I'm going to have to put that aside for a minute.
Right.
I'll say.
Thank you. So, I don't know how they painted before, but it's got all funky
Well,
effect.
we
I
can
mean,
always
theoretically,
do-
I should be
give it
sanding
one-
it
yeah,
and
no, give it one coat
did it on
now.
properly.
This is like a miscoat. and
Miscoat,
you can give
this
it, and we can give it a rub down, and then give it a final coat.
yeah.
Right, I've got to do your filling bits anyway and all that, so there will be.
I need to get white paint for the ceiling because that makes a huge difference when that's white.
Yeah, definitely.
Right, but let me just have a
You drank your tea.
Yeah, I ain't got tea. Need another tea. Need a tea break already. Nee.
Temperature in here at the moment.
15.
15? No, 12.
It's alright, it's because we're walking around and we're fully clothed.
Jump
We're
one
all
now over the top of that one that I had on. And I like stuff. Yeah, I'm not going to get paint on it.
Okay.
Probably will get paint on it.
Fingers.
Look at our sir down here. Hang on. You alright, sir?
Hello,
Right,
sir.
Sir Ernie? You comfortable? Yep. He's going to go and ask. Probably. What?
3 different bottles.
Probably 3 different bottles. I don't. No idea. But we need to get the toilet working. I'd like to get the water working. That's not going to happen, Paul. Just
We
the
can't
face.
fill the tank because all the hose pipes are frozen.
Hose pipes are frozen, so we
and
can't.
the
There's a
actual-
huge cobweb there.
And the actual taps are all, the main
So
taps
the
that you
water
plug
can't
your
work.
hose into, they're all frozen up.
I only thought because of the radiators, because it got quite cold at one point. We kept the fire going through the night, but at one point it got to, in my every minute that I was waking up, 5 degrees. I don't usually use a paintbrush. I don't like rollers. I don't like the effect, the bubble effect that rollers give. So I use, what are they called? They're like sponges. Oh, paint pads. So I tend to use paint pads, and they just literally, they're flat like this, and they just glide up and down. But I need to go and get some. I think our nearest home base is not far from here, so we will go out, I think, when Paul gets back, and go and get all the paint pads and that. I literally was just trying this for now, just to see what it looks like. That's all.
Selected lines only. Shop in store, online, and via the app. There's more to love at Matalan.
Oh, the lady on the next one. She's putting all her Christmas decorations up. Cute. We haven't got any down on now. I haven't even got a walking toilet, so I'm not going to worry about Christmas decorations.
But you are, thanks to the best gift you ever got. And I'm still having you.
When you donate to the British Heart Foundation, you give a gift that keeps on giving. Search BHF today and help us fund life.
Obviously there's loads of filling and things that needs to be done on here, but like we said earlier, this is literally just a mist coat, really, and then mainly to see what it's going to look like, and then we'll obviously do some filling, sanding down, and then do like the final coat. Oh, touched the wire. No, I didn't get shocked, so it's probably only a 12 volt actually, isn't it? I don't know, we've got some 12 volt lights and we've got some other lights as well, of course, yeah, that runs off the 240. I thought all web lights were 12. Oh, I don't even know what I'm talking about when it comes to electrics. Or boats.
Right, I've just got back from the side of the van where I set up my benches temporarily. Should have filmed it really. I've just been cutting up the sort of sub base for like the marble or whatever we're going to use on the, or granite, whatever we're going to use for the final sort of worktop finish. Just about to bring them in and place them in sort of position.
I think that noise was one of them falling over, wasn't it, on the deck?
Yeah, we sort of put it in position and have a look. We've got like a sort of breakfast bar area, comes out to about here, but we're not. I've left it a little bit long. We can sort of see how it feels and cut that suit. So I'll be doing that.
Da, da, da.
That's sort of the last.
Oh, there's one. Looks like it's sticking out a little bit too much, this one. I know it's going to be the breakfast bar, but that's quite a lot out. Maybe it's not, maybe it's me. Maybe it just looks a lot out. Da da!
Drum roll.
Oh,
Oh,
it's kind of a jump roll.
Spoon dropping.
Spoon roll.
Spoon roll.
Da da da.
Yeah, so obviously walk through there. So
Yeah.
this can be adjusted to suit.
Yeah.
This can be adjusted to suit because I've got a little bit more length on that, so that will, in fact, naturally go about there actually. So it just gives us a little bit more room. The sink's going to be about here, so sort of plates and all that on the end of there before you wash up, drain this side. So we can do like a little sort of scallop hat here or something, and then opposite there to make that a comfortable walk through. Oh, what?
You keep your eyes on the road.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, don't look in the camera. You just keep your eyes on the road. I'm burns with us.
The old woman's got me dragged me down to our home base. Oh, God.
Gotta go and get the white paint so I can
there
do the ceiling.
there are other stores available.
Yeah.
Most of you use being
we're actually
home
in
base is the nearest.
middle of nowhere, so in a little
Norton
country.
Village.
Norton Village, we're near. So yeah, just on the way to home base, so I can get the white paint for the ceiling. So I can start doing that, and the skirting. I need eggshell for the skirting as well. And
See if they've got a toilet so you can do a number 2, I suppose.
do I need eggshell for the ceiling actually? No, because it's wood, but it's already got paint.
Sort of good, mate.
Sure, I'm going to have a little nose around the
Don't think
shop. What else do I need at home base?
We've got B&M next to it as well.
B&M. Not sure what I need really though.
Sure.
Where have we ended up?
It's home. Ernie wins again.
Bit of a mix of videos there over the weekend, so we will come back and go back through actually what we've done on the boat and our progress, but just wanted to pop on quickly to wish everybody a very, very Merry Christmas. Stay safe and enjoy. Bye. I get home from the weekend with the boat, with the beeping, located that beep, and I go to work on Monday. We had a power cut in the office, and I was left with this noise.